Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Vegetable kurma tastes very good with puris or rotis. So let us see how to make it today. For the kurma we will need 100 gram French beans, all assorted vegetables. So remove the strings and cut the French beans into medium size pieces. You can see the way I have cut it. Now dip it in water. Take one carrot, peel it and cut into medium size pieces. Dip these also in water. And we will need 100 grams green peas. I have taken frozen green peas and cut cauliflower 150 grams. Drain the water and transfer to a pot the beans, carrot and the peas. Don't put the cauliflower at this stage. Boil till half cooked and then add the cauliflower. The cauliflower gets cooked very fast, and if you put it in the initial stage, then it will become overcooked. So for the masala, we will use 1 teaspoon coriander, 3 cloves, small piece of cinnamon and 2 cardamom. This should not be very spicy, so I have used very less cloves and cinnamon. Dry roast till golden and keep aside to cool. Now chop 2 onion, peel them and slice. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoon oil and stir fry the onion. Add salt so that the frying is easy and 5 cashew nuts, half cup fresh coconut and 1 teaspoon sesame seeds and dry roast it, and then add the roasted masala. When it is golden, grind it to a fine paste by adding little water. Now grate 2 tomatoes. You can puree it or chop it finely or grate it like this. I find this is easier than any other method. Discard the skin. In a kadai, heat 3 teaspoon oil and make a tadka with half teaspoon mustard seeds and curry leaves. 10 to 12 will do, or you can add more if you like it. Then add grated tomato, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Keep the flame low. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste and add the masala paste, the coconut and the garam masala which we had roasted and ground. Add this and keep stirring till it gets dry and leaves oil and the taste is fragrant. You can see the masala has cooked well. Once it leaves oil and it dries up, then it is ready to cook further with the vegetables. Now add the cooked vegetables. I have retained the water separately, so I will add as much as required. If the water is too much, then the gravy will be too runny. Now add salt as per your taste. Add little sugar to balance the taste of tomatoes. Bring to a boil. See the consistency. This is the right consistency. Serve hot with puris or rotis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my recipes with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.